Traffic sign innovation? Meet the superhero of road maintenance, HygieniaTouch coatings. This cutting-edge technology uses the power of photocatalysis to clean traffic signs at the quantum level, performing an astonishing 70,000 cleaning actions per second. What's the big deal? No labor, no chemicals, no energy, no maintenance, no hassle. HygieniaTouch coatings break down harmful vehicle emissions, transforming grime into clean air and leaving signs looking brand new. And it doesn't stop there. By reducing water and energy consumption, these coatings are a sustainable, eco-friendly solution that slashes operational costs. City planners, contractors, imagine a world where your traffic signs stay pristine effortlessly. Cleaner signs mean safer roads and a greener environment. Join us in revolutionizing road maintenance with HygieniaTouch coatings, keeping our traffic signs clean and green. The future of clean, efficient, and sustainable cities is here.